Welcome back to HiFi AV Tech, the channel where we dive deep into the world of home audio and video gear. If you're passionate about creating the perfect sound and visual experience in your space, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at a powerful and compact combination that promises impressive performance at a surprisingly reasonable price. We're talking about the Klipsch Reference Theater Pack 5.1 channel speaker system, paired with the Denon AVR-S770H 7.2 channel 8K network AV receiver with HEOS. This video will walk you through the design, features, performance, user experiences, and final verdict. So make sure you stick around until the end. The Klipsch Reference Theater Pack is designed to give users a high-quality surround sound experience without the bulk of traditional speaker setups. This compact 5.1 channel system includes 4 satellite speakers, a center channel speaker, and a wireless subwoofer. Each speaker features Klipsch's signature copper-spun IMG woofers and horn-loaded tweeters, ensuring clarity and precision across all frequencies. On the amplification side, we have the Denon AVR-S770H. This 75-watt per channel 7.2 channel receiver supports 8K video, Dolby Atmos DTS-X, and HEOS multi-room audio. Together, these components form a system that's both user-friendly and future-ready, whether you're upgrading from a soundbar or building a home theater from scratch. The design of the Klipsch Reference Theater Pack is both minimalistic and refined. The speakers feature a matte black finish that blends easily into most living spaces, while the copper-colored woofers add a premium aesthetic when the grills are removed. These speakers are compact and lightweight, making them suitable for wall mounting, placing on shelves, or using with speaker stands. The wireless subwoofer is also compact and includes a built-in transmitter for easy integration without extra cables. The Denon AVR-S770H continues Denon's reputation for solid build quality. Its front panel is clean and functional, and the rear input layout is logically organized. With detachable Wi-Fi antennas, a clear LED display, and intuitive buttons, it balances modern design with practicality. Setting up the Klipsch Reference Theater Pack is straightforward. The speakers connect via standard speaker wire, which gives you flexibility in placement. The wireless subwoofer pairs automatically once powered on, eliminating the need for a cable running across your room. Many users recommend using 16-gauge speaker wire, and brands like Amazon Basics offer budget-friendly options for longer cable runs. The Denon AVR-S770H makes setup even easier with a guided on-screen wizard and the included speaker setup microphone. Using Odyssey multi-room calibration, the receiver customizes audio output based on your room's dimensions and acoustics. For those with TVs that support EARC, connecting through HDMI unlocks high-quality audio directly from streaming services. Overall, the process is smooth, even for beginners, and delivers immediate improvements to audio quality once completed. In terms of performance, this system exceeds expectations. The Klipsch speakers produce crisp and articulate sound, especially in the mid and high ranges. Dialogue is clear and centered, making it ideal for movie watching and TV shows. The horn-loaded tweeters excel at highlighting subtle audio details, and the copper IMG woofers handle mid-bass frequencies effectively. The wireless subwoofer adds weight and depth without overwhelming the room. It produces clean, punchy bass that integrates well with the rest of the system. When combined with the Denon AVR-S770H, the system takes full advantage of surround sound formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. Even though the speakers are not equipped for height effects, the AVR's audio processing creates an immersive sound field. Whether you're gaming, watching action-packed films, or streaming music, the system delivers rich, room-filling sound that remains balanced and precise. The Denon AVR-S770H offers a comprehensive set of modern features. It supports up to 8K video at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, which is great for next-gen gaming consoles and Ultra HD streaming devices. It includes 3 8K HDMI inputs, legacy analog connections, and full compatibility with HDMI EARC. Wireless connectivity options include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and built-in HEOS, which allows you to stream music from services like Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music, and more. HEOS also lets you expand your system into a multi-room setup with compatible speakers. The receiver supports voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant, and the Denon app provides another easy way to control volume, input switching, and music playback. With support for high-resolution audio and flexible input-output options, the AVR-S770H ensures you are covered for today's needs and tomorrow's upgrades. Let's take a look at what real users are saying. One user, who had been using the Logitech Z906 5.1 system with his PC, switched to this Klipsch setup and noticed a dramatic improvement in sound quality. He pointed out that the presence of tweeters added clarity to voices and enhanced the realism of in-game audio. The subwoofer, though wireless, produced more defined directional bass when crossed at 80 Hz. He creatively split the system across 2 setups, and both delivered impressive results. Another user, a newcomer to home theater systems, installed the Klipsch system with a Yamaha receiver and an OLED TV. Despite having no prior experience, he successfully set everything up using speaker stands and a subwoofer riser. He praised the system for its clean aesthetics, full sound, and impactful bass, especially for a modest price. Both users highlighted how this system dramatically improved their entertainment experiences across movies, music, and games. When evaluating the overall value, it's hard to ignore how much this system offers for the price. The Klipsch Reference Theater Pack may be discontinued, but it originally retailed for around $1,300. Today, you can often find it online for under $4, which makes it a fantastic deal. When paired with the Denon AVR-S770H, you get a feature-rich home theater system that is compact, future-proof, and highly customizable. Whether you're just starting your journey into home theater or upgrading from a soundbar, this system represents a serious performance boost without overwhelming your space or budget. The wireless subwoofer adds flexibility, the satellite speakers deliver precise sound, and the AVR-S770H offers the power and processing needed for a truly immersive experience. Thanks for tuning in to this full review on HiFi AV tech. If you enjoyed this breakdown and found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more in-depth reviews and guides on the best audio-visual gear. Let us know in the comments if you're planning to try out the Klipsch Reference Theater Pack and Denon AVR combo, or if you already have a setup you love. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, keep enjoying your sound and stay tuned for more content from HiFi AV Tech.